Once upon a time in Miami, Sammy's stepmom, Mrs. Lopez, opened a unique coffee restaurant called Chat and Sip. What made it special? Everyone who came in had to practice their English. One sunny day, Sammy walked into Chat and Sip, ready for an adventure. As he entered, he heard a mix of languages and saw smiling faces. Mrs. Lopez had a brilliant idea. Each customer got a fun English lesson with their coffee. "Welcome, Sammy," said Mrs. Lopez, handing him a menu filled with delicious drinks and snacks. "Today's special is the English espresso, but to get it, you need to order in English." Sammy took a deep breath. "One English espresso, please." "Great job," cheered Mrs. Lopez. She winked and added, "And for extra fun, our waiters also help customers improve their English. It's a learning party." Sammy watched as customers and waiters laughed, chatted, and helped each other. Even Mr. Gomez, the shy baker, was practicing his English jokes. As the day ended, Sammy saw the amazing fun at Chat and Sip. Not only did people enjoy delicious coffee, but they also left with better English skills and new friends. From that day on, Chat and Sip became the happiest, funniest, and most educational place in Miami. And Sammy? He couldn't wait to go back every day.